Hello, my name is Alexandre. I'm a research scientist in Philips. I've been working in Philips for 8 years, starting with an internship. Then I did my PhD study also in Philips. And now I'm a research scientist working on ultrasound and X-ray image processing. My job in Philips is quite diverse. So I'm a research engineer trying to come up with algorithms or solutions to help physician needs. We start with gathering the actual needs of the physician. So we can have meetings with physicians to try and understand the clinical issue, have their feedback on what they see on the imaging tools. And once we have gathered their needs, we need to actually come up with algorithm or a software which solves these needs. This means that we have to sit down, think about the algorithm that we want to develop, and develop this algorithm. Once we have developed something we are confident with, we actually do some kind of software engineering to try and produce a package that we can deliver at the end to the physician so that they can try and produce some feedback to us to continuously improve what we work on. In Philips, I'm working with a large amount of people with various different expertise. I'm working with people who are specialists of the clinics, who are able to gather the needs from the clinician and communicate to us with researcher the actual needs. I'm working with my close collaborators and colleagues who are research engineers like me, with skills ranging from image processing, signal processing, for various different domains, but also people who are very expert in software engineering. And I'm also working with colleagues who are experts in setting up clinical studies, all the regulatory options that we have to be able to gather data and have the correct setting to work. So I'm working on helping the management of coronary artery diseases. The project I'm working on aims at reducing the burden on the patient on the table. So that's very important for me to know that the patients that are going to be treated suffer less and are better taken care of. So that's mainly what drives me in my job in the daily environment. Since I've been working in Philips, I've learned so many things. First, with clinician and physician, I've learned a lot about the clinical world, how diseases are managed, what are the different diseases we are working with, and also what we could do to help the physician. I've also learned a lot technically, and in particular working here in this environment with such a large amount of very talented people. I've learned about different fields and different techniques, and my colleagues are always willing to share, so it's a very good environment to work with.